Did you notice one thing right now in the internet, that every platforms are pushing a lot of videos? Like Instagram, they have Reel, IGTV. Also, they allowed a lot of videos in their newsfeed. Facebook also, they have Facebook Watch, as well as they are pushing more and more videos. Quora has the videos, right? Every platform have a videos. That means, guys, you can optimize this format which is trending, and you can promote any affiliate products. You can sell Clickbank product too. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank product for free using free traffic, using video. Here I'm not talking about, guys, 5-minute videos or 10-minute videos. Here I'm talking about 5-second videos to 1-minute videos, which can give you amazing conversion, sales conversion here. When you optimize the video with SEO, search engine optimization, you're going to get the targeted free traffic. I'm going to show you everything in this video if you stick to this video till the end. And if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel, Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. You can watch this playlist before you make a decision of subscribing my channel. Once if you subscribe, put the bell notification, and do not forget to smash the like button of this video, because this is free traffic and you can do this if you are a beginner. To promote a Clickbank product with free traffic, the first important thing is you need a product. So I am into the marketplace of law of attraction and manifestation, and I'm looking this product called Manifestation Magic. So here you can see this is the product Manifestation Magic, which is updated. Here you can see 2021 updated Manifestation Magic, and you can make a initial sale of $34.14, and this have a good gravity, right? Almost like 100. This product is a very old product, is there from 2018, right? So still converting good. That's why they have good gravity here. So if you can see their affiliate page, this is what I like. Any good product have amazing support for their affiliates. So here you can see they have like email swipe, blog review, article lander, banners, Facebook ad. So here what I'm looking is like blog review and article lander. Okay, so if you select this one here, you can see these are the blog reviews, right, which you can use to promote this offer. Okay, you can use any platform like Medium, you can use Quora, you can use Facebook groups and pages owned by you. And the one of the best part, they have this review article of different angle. So whenever you promote any product, guys, every promotion have some angle or message. Okay, generally they have only one message. Okay, for example, here you can see if you want to target this product with who are into the health, so they have this health angle review. Okay, and then they have love angle review, manifestation magic, spiritual angle, wealth angle. All these are different angles at which you can target. So you can use all of these reviews, okay, no doubt. But here I'm not going to go with reviews. Here I am looking the landers, okay, article landers, because this article landers convert amazing, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. Okay, these are the article landers which really provide values. Okay, that's my formula of selling any product: provide values and sell the product. So here meanwhile I'm going to select this one here at article lander 6, how to send a message to the universe and manifest anything you desire. So you can use this keywords and this one to target and drive the traffic, right? Search engine optimization traffic, that I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so here you can see this is the blog. Okay, this is the article they have, and you can use as it is. That's what they have given, right? Just inserting your affiliate link, and you can promote this with the free traffic stuff. Now the second very important step is to create a landing page or a website using Google site. Okay, so Google site is completely free. You can use with domain or without domain, but you don't need any hosting here. So you can create an amazing looking website here like this. Okay, so if you can see all of this blog, right, all of these blogs are the article landers of the product. Okay, Clickbank product which I showed you. So if you can see here, it's all, they have many layouts. You can use and drag and drop these layouts. They have the text box, image, right, and they have many themes which you can use. You can also create a different pages with this. Okay, different pages in this here. And then now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this I will copy all of this text here, and I'm going to say add a page. okay, new page here. So you can name your page, for example, like I'm going to name it like manifestation magic. And then also this is very important, that is the custom path. You want to optimize your URL also, you can use this one here, like manifest anything you desire. So we'll put here, right, manifest anything you desire, and we're going to say like done. So right now here you can see manifestation magic, and this is our page, and we will insert the layout here, or maybe the text. You're going to select here the text, and now you can copy all of this thing here. Okay, just very simple to copy, insert here. So like this, right now you can see here. And now what you can do, guys, you can make any changes here, right, putting the layouts and all those things, right, on your own time. So one of the things which you should not use is guys, their images, okay, because this images is being used by so many different people. So do not use their images, because I want to optimize these images. That is the reason you need a different kinds of images, okay, new fresh images. For that, guys, you have to go to Pixabay. It's completely free to download any kinds of images, okay, like this. Just type in the top like meditation, universe, whatever it is, right? You're gonna get like so many different images. It's a free download. You can download to your computer, okay, like this one. If you click here and if you download this one, it will be download to your device. And then I want to make a little bit changes here. For example, I'm going to change the banner here with this image, and look at this will look like this, okay. And also I want to change the headline here, because the headline says here like manifest anything you desire. I want to target this keyword, okay. So that is the reason what I'm going to do is like I'm going to insert this one here, like manifest anything you desire. So here I edited this entire page. Here you can see this is the page, right? You should give a proper spacing so that your reader should get a very good experience while reading this. Okay, that's very, very important. So given the proper space, headline, right? Now we have to insert our affiliate link. For that, we can go to the affiliate page and we can get the link, or else we can go to the Clickbank and we have to click here like promote. Okay, you can put your tracking ID and you can select like generate hop links. Okay, whatever the tracking ID you want to put, and copy this one here, and then you will insert in the two places, right, which is they have given you, right? Look at this one here. So you can edit and you can remove this one from here. Okay, and just insert the apply. Okay, so this is your affiliate link, as well as in the bottom also we will give the affiliate link. Select this one, insert, copy, apply. So with this our page is ready. So let's see how it let's preview this page, and here you can see. So this is like, you know, completely looks like an amazing website. So free website, okay, and you don't need to buy any hosting and all those things. So now this looks great. Now what we're going to do is we are going to publish this, right, website. Okay, just click here, publish, and we're going to select like publish here, and this is publish. So you can click here and you can see in the top, guys, you can see the URL, right, site.google.com. I always recommend you to have your own domain. Then you will see the slash. Look at this, manifest anything you desire. This is the keyword, right? This is the URL which we needed right now. To promote this website, guys, or the landing page, we are going to use Pinterest as the platform, one of the most beginner friendly platform, and from which you can drive tons of traffic. One of the few of the best part of like Pinterest is, right, you can do without a blog, without a website, this one. And this is the only platform, guys, where you can use other people's content with legally, right? You can't use other people's content in your YouTube channel, in your website, or any other places, right? You're going to get the copyright issues. But Pinterest is the place, guys, where you can use other people's content as well as like your simple landing page, right? And you can drive tons of free traffic. That I'm going to show you second. And one of the best part, guys, Pinterest is guided search engine for visual content, for your videos and images. Right now they're pushing more videos, and you can create an amazing video here. Here you can see, guys, you can create 4-second videos to 15-minute videos. And with my experience, guys, right, you're going to get more exposure with 1-minute video and lesser than 1 minute. Okay, that's what I said, like 4-second to 1-minute videos are amazing here, not more than that. So you can easily create with Pinterest here. And here you can see this is my new Pinterest account, and I'm driving amazing traffic, and my account is growing, right, every day here, right? And I'm also creating a video pins right? Just using the Google site, right? And I'm creating video pins and I'm getting good traffic here. So if you're new and you don't know how to get into Pinterest, right? How to learn Pinterest more, then I have a complete Pinterest affiliate marketing playlist. If you're a beginner, you must watch this playlist. It will guide you for doing SEO and as well as like how to grow your account here. So that is the beauty of Pinterest, guys. You can optimize the keywords, you can optimize the video and images. So now to create a video pin, guys, what we're going to do is we will go to Canva here. Canva is extremely free, so you can create, right, any social media post here. You can go here and you can create your own custom dimension going here, or else you can just type here. They will give you, right, Pinterest, like look at this Pinterest pin. Like here you can see Pinterest video pin. Just click this here. So here you can see this, guys. You're going to get a lot of free templates, video pins. You can use these video pins and you can edit here. Okay, so that you can do, but meanwhile what I'm going to use is like the image which I downloaded from Pixabay. I'm going to use this image. Okay, and I'm going to insert this one like this here for the design. You can create this design in any way. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, how you want to create it. So for example, like this one here. Okay, and this is it, and then this is how I create my designs. Okay, so you have to come up with your own designs here. If you can see, I am using some different kinds of designs here for my video pins. So you can use your different kinds of pin. Do not copy here, because if you duplicate any pins in the Pinterest, they will suspend your account. Okay, duplication. I already made a video on this, so you must watch this. You can do the transparency here. Now you have to put the text overlay here. So make sure your text should be very, very relevant here. Manifest, right, anything you desire. Okay, and you can make all the changes over here. So I made quick changes in the backend, like manifest anything you desire, manifestation for beginners. And now this is, if you see, this is an image here. So here you can use the elements and you can give some effect here, right? Like arrow or some kind of like, circle here. And with this, it will be like, converted into the video automatically. Okay, you can also use the image, but I will recommend you to use less graphic. Okay, so I'm going to use this arrow here like this, okay, pointing to the readers, like, check now, something like that. Okay, this will convert into video right now, but just I use the GIF here. And also, right, set you can keep like 5 seconds to like, more like 1 minute and all, but I will recommend you to keep only like 5 or 6 seconds, because the reason is this kinds of video pin go for an approval. So less the graphic is there, you'll get approval fast. Okay, if it is like 5 minute, 3 minute videos, right, it will take a lot of time to get approval here. So this is what I want to do right now. And now you can download this one to your device. Okay, while downloading, keep it like MP4 and download. So once you've created your video pin, the next step is, guys, to do a little bit keyword research here. For example, our targeted keyword is like manifest anything you desire. So you can put here in the search and you will see so many like other, right, pins over here, right? You can get some idea, right, what kind of a description there people are using, what kind of hashtag they're using. You'll get some idea. And you want to learn more in depth about keyword research, I have a video, this series, but you don't need to watch the complete series. The first 2 video is enough for you to show you how to do keyword research. There are 4 different methods I showed you in that video, right, how to do the keyword research. So once if you did the keyword research, right, then you can go to your boards here and you have to find the relevant board. So this is the very, very important thing here, guys. You have to find the relevant board. Okay, for example, I have money manifestation, manifestation journal, right, numerology, but here you can see this is all about like, right, manifesting anything you desire. So I'll go and I'll choose a board called manifestation for beginners. Okay, because that's what I'm targeting here. And now I'm going to click here and I'm going to select like pin here, and here upload my videos. Okay, so here you can see manifest anything you desire, the video which we made with Canva. Okay, now once we have did, you can put the cover also. You can also upload your own covers. Now you have to put the title, description and hashtag. So here I'm going to insert the title here. So manifest anything you desire. So here I wrote manifestation for beginners. this is what I target, right? This is what I give, and make sure you're relevant, and make sure you target for one or two, three keyword, right? Instead of like trying to target in many keywords. Then now you have to insert the description. Again, it should be relevant. So here I'm going to insert like the description here, and that is learn how to manifest anything you desire by sending a message to the universe. Writing is one of the most powerful way for manifestation beginners to get your desire out of your head and into the universe. So if you can see, I use the keywords. Okay, I have not did the keyword stuffing. Okay, manifest anything you desire. I have mentioned here, right, message to the universe. Okay, then manifestation beginners. You can use more keyword here, guys. You can write more description. Okay, and once if you wrote this, guys, you can also use the relevant hashtag. So here I'm going to insert the relevant hashtag. So you can insert almost like 5 to 10 hashtag which is relevant. Okay, so I generally insert like 5 or 6, 7 hashtag. That's it. Okay, for example, like manifestation, law of attraction, right? Manifestation for beginners, manifesting anything you want, manifest your desire. Okay, that's enough here. And while if you upload a video pin, you'll get one more option here, that is write tags. So make sure you're tagging a relevant thing. You're not going to get this keyword like manifestation and law of attraction, so you have to use the tag which is almost like close here. Okay, like personal development. Look at this one, a personal development, and then you can write spiritual, right? Spirituality. So this kinds of like 2 or 3 or 4 keywords tag is enough here. And then at the end, guys, you have to insert the video link. Okay, and that is this link here. We're going to use this link, right? And we will insert here, and here you can see manifest anything you desire. These are the 4 keyword. I target this keyword here in the URL as well as in the description, hashtag, right, in the title and description, as well as in the video overlay also. Okay, and once if you're done, guys, if you did everything, you can publish this thing later. You can schedule this pin, or else, guys, you can publish immediately. So once if you publish immediately, guys, it will first go for review, because we have used very less right graphic here, so it will review immediately. It will publish immediately only. So if I select here publish, so here you can see you created a pin. It is already published right now. So we will wait few seconds, right, and you will see it will publish here, and you can see you will get the notification here in the top, right? Look at this one here in the top, right? Your video is ready to go, view it here. Okay, so now it is published right now. So here you can see it is published, right? Manifest anything you desire. If you click here, you will see here all the right video views, average time, saves, all these things you can see over here. Okay, and if somebody want to read it, they will click here and they will go to this landing page, okay, or the website, and they will read it. If they want, if they'll make the click here, they will buy. So you're giving the user experience what the audience want, as well as you're also selling the affiliate products. Okay, so hope you enjoy this tutorial step by step. Hope you learn how to promote your Clickbank product using video. You don't need to know like SEO. You don't need to do on-page SEO, off-page SEO, how you're doing with the website, right? And you don't need to create 5-minute or 15-minute video with 5-second video also doing SEO with Pinterest. You can drive tons of traffic and you can promote the affiliate products. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy the video, smash the like button, share your valuable comments in the comment box, right? I love to read your comments, and subscribe my channel. And before you go, I will recommend you to watch these 2 videos which will guide you how to start with Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner, you can watch this video and you can learn keyword research so that you can rank in the search engine result of Pinterest, and you can drive tons of traffic with it.